This video is for Xbox users who are experiencing this problem, IP0.0.0, and are using a USB to Ethernet adapter. So this adapter is already connected to my laptop, which is already connected to the internet. So what you need to do is go to Control Panel, and maybe not have View by Category, large icons, because you can see more. Go to Network and Sharing Center. Go to Adapter Settings. And this is the USB Ethernet adapter. And this is the Wi-Fi I always used to connect to the internet. Right click, go to Properties, Sharing, and click this. This is very important. Click this. And now it's still at 0.0, but if I reboot it, I'm doing this with one hand. Full restart. And remember what I just did. I just clicked on sharing on Control Panel. And now it's connected to my laptop. I'm surprised that most homebrew tutorials out there on YouTube don't cover this. And hopefully this helps you. Thank you for watching.